Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith here in Southend-on-Sea, and we have a huge motorcycle rally going on today. It's Monday, just after Easter, and these just came back from Old Town over in Florida, over in Orlando. This is a 1945 Harley Davidson WLA. It was bought in pieces in America about 30 years ago, converted to, what's on the back of this thing? A Robin Reliant rear axle here with a custom seat. These have both been to Florida and have come back here to England. This is a Beauford Sport replica. It's got Volvo seats in it, but this thing is just wild, absolutely wild. I know we see a lot of kit cars, a lot of replicas, especially in Florida, but this is just special. And there you can see on the front plate, 34 Beauford Sport, and it's 42 Harley Davidson from the war. Totally awesome. And I just thought you guys would get a kick out of this today. The back trunk, and this is yeah, this is just super cool. So custom job, bought in parts from the war over in the States about 30 years ago, and then put together as this really cool trike with a Robin Reliant rear axle. Cool guys, well, I'm gonna walk around, see what else we can find here today. The weather's great and there's usually some really cool cars, lots of police out. Yeah, we'll see what we can find, but just thought you'd get a kick out of this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You'll see a lot more car spotting videos, and follow us on Instagram too. I'm at Keith Producer, K-E-I-T-H Producer, P-R-O-D-U-C-E-R. We'll have a lot more videos coming. Weather's great, and the cars that we see down here are just absolutely insane when the weather's good. All right guys, take it easy.